yourself and get naked. I don't think about anybody but being beside your body, baby. You can leave open windows, don't care who see me on my clothes, baby. Yeah, I like bananas and peaches, and some might say it's indecent. That's just crazy. It's just crazy. Can I slide out of mine and into yours? Heels on waiting at your door. I don't wanna play no more. Leave everything on the floor. You don't need a pose to see me strip. Only thing I want is your lips. Take it to the top or skinny dip. I don't even wanna get a grip. I just like it when you grab my hips. Can you feel it through your fingertips? How do I keep these on? How do I let you know? Boy, you deserve a show. Deserve to get comfortable. It's only natural. I could tell when you locked the door just what was going on. Boy, can we take off all our clothes? When can we take off all our clothes? When can we take off all our clothes? When can we take off all our clothes? Baby, you're so anxious, can't take it. Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? So baby, you're so anxious, can't take it. Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Can we take this off and get naked? Follow me to my